warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning viewers, how are you? I hope you are fine. Okay, I want to tell you about myself. My name is Radur Solah. You can call me Solah. I am 5 years old. I was born in Sampang. I live in Jenny. I am student of junior high school. My hobby is gamers. Last year on 2024, when I went home from Islamic boarding school of Nata, because I don't limited or I am plan home. First because this is the reward first bureau when in at home. I got surprise from my parents to Surabaya. I and my parents went 14 of May. In Surabaya, my friend I stay overnight. In my cousin house stay next day. My family went to Jatim Park 1 and Malang. Last in Jatim Park 1 and cousin I bought ticket to come in friend Jatim Park 1 after book. Ticket I and my cousin I prior cousin. Look cousin road shoot to the best and just after prior I and my cousin. When I tour in out, sit 8 seat before player weekend. I and my cousin when I book the food and snack. When I ate, I and my cousin I take it, I quarter and I was fell off happy after that. I and my cousin then I went to weekend and in there by swimming pool. After that, I and my cousin played roller coaster with my cousin after that. I played Ghost House, Tornado, Bistro House, and after and next, I and my cousin out from weekend. I and my cousin went home. When after home, I take dinner with my family after that. I went to watch Bioscope before I went. Bioscope, I and my cousin went to mall. When to mall Surabaya when I there Ellen. My cousin bought ticket for my team Bioscope. Or after book ticket for the mall the Bioscope after end. My cousin shopping. Book iPhone and mall shopping in all of my thing for book. After that, me wine Bioscope. Advance film horror very after and film. After that, o'clock and the famous box. Finished and I and my cousin went home and I slept for home to work. I went home with my family. Next day, my family permission to my cousin for went to my home. I think I know for my attention. Thank you for nothing. Don't forget like, comment, and subscribe. That's I say. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.